Hello there and welcome to my channel. My name is Rhoda and this is the Cookalicious Kitchen. Well, join me as we make homemade
The
pizza.
list of my ingredients. I'm going to be using butter, warm milk, sugar, yeast, egg, and salt to taste, then my flour. So I'm going to add the yeast, I'm going to add the sugar. All the measurements of the ingredients will be in the description box. So I'm going to add salt to taste and I'm going to stir. Okay. Crack in your egg. Going to stir properly. Add your milk. Going to be adding butter now, and I'm going to knead the dough until it's well cooperated. So I'm going to transfer to a surface and begin to knead until it's very soft and fluffy. So you see, it starts coming out. So this is just the way you want it to be. Now you're going to leave it in a hot place for it to rise for at least 40 to 60 minutes. And so the best place to actually put it is in a microwave. So I'm going to keep it here for at least 40 minutes. Now what I'm going to be using for my pizza toppings and dressing. So I'm going to be using cheese. So this is my chicken. I've marinated it overnight, so you can marinate anyhow you want with the required ingredients that you like. So for my own, I used all the ingredients I would like: pepper, salt, seasoning, paprika, black pepper, onion, and all of that. So I have my veggies for topping. I have my carrot, my tomato, I have my spring onion, and I have my bell peppers. And I'm also going to be adding sausage. So I have my topping dressing sauce which I've made. If you want to know how to make this sauce, please check it's in my video. It's one of my videos. It's actually a YouTube short video, so you can learn how to make these toppings, and I bet you it's very delicious. It's going to take your pizza to another level. So I'm also going to be using my tomato paste, and I'm using ketchup, and I'm using Vitally products, so you can use any one you want. In a clean pan, we're going to add just a little bit of oil. Spread very well to pan-sear our chicken. So we're going to let it fry or cook till this side is brown, golden brown. Then we'll flip it over. So that should take roughly like 10 to 15 minutes. So I'm taking it off the heat. So I'm adding the sausage here. We just need the flavors in the meat to just be transferred into the sausage. So you're going to shred it and you set it aside. So in the same pan, I'm going to add just a little bit of oil. Take it off. So you can see it has doubled in size. So I'm dividing into 4. You can make as much as you want. Now this is to enable me the size of my fry pan. So I'm going to try to roll the size of the pan you're going to be using. So I'm going to be poking holes on it. So I'm going to add a little bit of oil to my pan. The best pan to use is a non-stick pan, but my non-stick pan is a bit small, so I'm going to be using this one. So make sure the oil is well coated. So I'm going to lift. To layer it in my fry pan. So we're going to leave it on the fire till the back turns brown or cooked. Then we'll flip it over and continue the process. Flip over and begin to put your toppings now on a low heat. So the first thing to do is to spread your ketchup on it. Sorry, I added the ketchup without, so I simply poured my ketchup and I spread it on it. The next thing to do is to add our sauce. The sauce I prepared, so I'm going to be using the sauce for it too. Spread generously on it. So the next thing I'm adding is my cheese. You have to add enough cheese. I will finish it off by adding my vegetables to it. Then I'll add my chicken. I'll still add some of my tomato for that fresh taste, some of my just whatever you want to use for it, just add. Sprinkle some cheese again, and we're going to cover and we're going to let it cook for at least 15 minutes on a very low heat. The key is on a very low heat. So guys, it's ready. Hope you enjoyed watching. Please do well to subscribe to this channel. Okay, subscribe to this channel and give it a thumbs up if you found the video interesting and helpful. Thank you.
Laughing because everybody in my house now wanted to eat pizza. Both the ones that said they don't want to eat, all of them rushed out to eat pizza because the pizza was simply delicious. Well, follow the steps and make yourself an amazing pizza, and I know you would love it. Thank you for watching. Bye.